Hey there, worried about AI taking jobs? Well, here's the plot twist. It's creating new ones too. Let's talk about becoming an AI engineer. Whether you're a coder, business pro, or fresh grad, this could be your next big move. Got some coding skills? You're already on track. Tech giants are on a hiring spree for AI talent. So, how do you join this AI revolution? It's not just for computer whizzes. If you're from any engineering background or even business, you can make the switch. Curious about the roadmap, the skills you need? What about the stuff you don't need to stress over? Stick around because I'm about to spill all the tea on how to become the next AI hotshot. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be ready to ride the AI wave straight to your dream job. Let's dive in. If you want to become an AI engineer, what skills do you need? I've already created a roadmap for that and I'll share the link with you. You can check what's essential and what's not. Now let's start with the basics. What is an AI engineer? How is an AI engineer different from an ML engineer?
The two roles are quite distinct. AI engineers focus on artificial intelligence as a whole, while ML engineers specialize in machine learning. However, to develop advanced AI models like AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, or LLMs, Large Language Models, you need expertise in both AI and ML.
Under AI, you'll need to learn deep learning, neural networks, and similar concepts. On the ML side, you'll need reinforcement learning, Python libraries, linear regression, and various other machine learning models. Strong mathematical foundations, especially in statistics, are also crucial because they form the core of data science and machine learning. Now, let's talk about pre-trained models. There are many out there such as OpenAI models, DeepSeek and others. If you're not using a pre-trained model, you can build your own using frameworks like Anthropic, Gemini, Azure, AWS or Hugging Face. I am going to explain you step by step what you need to learn. First is Introduction to AI. Understand AI fundamentals and the difference between AI engineers and ML engineers. Second is AI versus AGI. AGI is gaining traction and more companies are developing tools around it. Third is LLMs and AI tools. Many new tools such as text to video and video to text are based on LLMs. Fourth is interface training, embeddings and vector databases. AI relies on specialized databases like MongoDB and vector databases, which are widely used in AI applications. Fifth is AI agents. You can create AI agents to automate daily tasks instead of doing them manually. Sixth is prompt engineering. This skill is crucial for interacting with AI models effectively, similar to how we refine Google searches to get better results. Seventh is difference between OpenAI and Google. OpenAI models generate responses based on pre-trained data, while Google provides real-time information from the web. As AI and AGI continue to evolve, many new models are emerging such as Quant. You can explore different models based on your interests and goals. You also need to understand the benefits, limitations, capabilities, context length, and cutoff constraints of AI models. These are essential concepts to grasp if you're serious about AI development. If you're a fresher or a B.Tech/computer science student, I highly recommend starting early. While learning to code is essential, you should also build a basic understanding of AI concepts from your first semester itself. This way, by the time you graduate, you'll have hands-on experience and be well prepared to work on AI projects. I'll explain how to get started with AI projects later in this guide. The next important step is working with OpenAI APIs. When you interact with AI models, such as building a chatbot, you don't need to manually prepare all the data. Instead, you can use APIs like OpenAI API, Google Gemini API, Azure AI, and AWS SageMaker. While some APIs offer free tokens for experimentation, advanced usage often requires payment. However, many educational resources provide free access, so you can explore them without cost. It's crucial to understand how APIs work, how to structure prompts, and how to manage tokens efficiently. Since AI models rely on token-based processing, poorly managed tokens can lead to incorrect or incomplete responses. Understanding token count, prompt efficiency, and API limitations will help you build better AI models. Databases also play a crucial role in AI. You'll need to learn about vector databases such as MongoDB and NoSQL, which store AI-related data efficiently. Key concepts include embeddings and vector search, semantic search and classification, recommendation systems and anomaly detection. For instance, if you're building an e-commerce AI model, a recommendation system will suggest relevant products to users based on their past interactions. Similarly, AI can be used in fraud detection, automation, and various other fields. If you're new to AI, focus on understanding the basics first. However, once you're comfortable, you can explore AI agent development. AI agents are capable of automating repetitive tasks. Popular development tools include Cursor and Copilot.
Another exciting area is multimodal AI, which integrates various data types such as images, video, text, and audio. For example, models like OpenAI's Whisper API and Hugging Face models enable image and video understanding, speech to text, and text to speech conversion. AI-driven content creation. By leveraging APIs like DALL-E, Whisper, and LangChain, you can build powerful AI-driven applications. That's the roadmap for becoming an AI engineer. Since I can't cover everything in one video, I'll make separate videos on each topic. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and I'll guide you through your AI learning journey step by step. See you in the next video.